Welcome back. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, the infamous blue screen of death error with the message unmountable boot volume. If you have ever encountered this error, you know how frustrating it can be. But fear not, because in this video, we will dive into why this error occurs and, most importantly, how to fix it. So let's get started. Before we delve into the solution, let's understand why the unmountable boot volume error occurs. This error typically indicates a problem with your computer's hard drive. There are a few common causes. 1. Corrupted file system. If the file system on your hard drive becomes corrupt, Windows may have trouble accessing the necessary files to boot up properly. 2. Faulty hard drive. Physical issues with your hard drive, such as bad sectors or a failing drive, can lead to the unmountable boot volume error. 3. Improper shutdown. Suddenly powering off your computer or experiencing a power outage while it's writing data to the hard drive can cause file system errors, resulting in this error. Now that we understand the potential causes, let's move on to fixing the unmountable boot volume error. Here are some methods you can try. Method 1. Restart and run automatic repair. Step 1. Start by restarting your computer. Step 2. As soon as your computer starts booting, press and hold the power button for a few seconds to force a shutdown. Repeat this process 2 more times. Step 3. On the third restart, let your computer boot normally. It should automatically enter the automatic repair mode. Step 4. Let the Windows attempt to repair the issue automatically. Method 2. Use command prompt and chkdsk. Step 1. Restart your computer and boot into the Windows recovery environment. Step 2. Select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Step 3. Choose command prompt. Step 4. In the command prompt, type chkdsk and press enter. Step 5. Allow the chkdsk utility to scan and repair the hard drive. This process may take some time. Method 3. Fix master boot record, MBR. Step 1. Again, boot into the Windows recovery environment. Step 2. Select command prompt. Step 3. Type the following commands sequentially. Step 4. Press enter after each command and wait for the process to complete. Great job! You have learned why the unmountable boot volume error occurs and discovered 3 effective methods to fix it. Remember, these methods should resolve the majority of cases, but in rare situations, additional steps or professional assistance may be required. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to minimize the chances of encountering this error. Tip 1. Regularly back up your important files to an external storage device or cloud storage. Tip 2. Avoid sudden power loss or improper shutdowns by using the appropriate shutdown procedure. Tip 3. Consider running disk maintenance tools periodically to check for and fix any file system errors. That's all for today's video on the unmountable boot volume error. We hope you found this information helpful and that it empowers you to fix this frustrating issue if it ever occurs. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Until next time, happy computing!